Hey everybody, welcome to Simple, Cheap, and Easy DIYs by Simple DIYer. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. As always, you can check the description box for the list of items used. In today's video, I'm going to be making this Farmhouse Tic Tac Toe game, which was inspired by this one from Pier1. First off, I'm going to start off with this wood Happy Harvest sign, which I got at Dollar General last fall on clearance for $1. But you can also use some of the plaques that Dollar Tree has. The square plaques will actually work for this as well. Next, I'm just going to paint it in this apple barrel paint in the color Snow White. Once the paint's fully dry, I'm just going to go ahead and distress it using sandpaper, and I'm just going to go over all of the edges. Now I'm going to take a paint stir stick and go ahead and measure the inside of the box, and I'm going to cut to the length of the box. Since the sticks are a lighter wood color, I'm going to first paint them in brown oxide, and once that's dry, I'm going to go ahead and paint them in the Snow White paint. Once the paint's fully dry, I'm going to go ahead and distress them as well. Now I'm just going to go ahead and glue the sticks into the box and just make sure that they are evenly glued in. I am using a hot glue for video purposes, but I do recommend a wood glue or a E6000 glue for a more permanent hold. Now taking 2 more paint stir sticks, I'm going to go ahead and measure out 6 pieces to complete the Tic Tac Toe board. Once all 6 pieces are cut out, I'm going to go ahead and do the same steps. I'm going to paint them in the brown oxide first, and then the snow white, and then I'm going to go ahead and distress them. Taking the 6 pieces, I'm going to go ahead and glue them in evenly to make the Tic Tac Toe board, as you can see I'm doing here. And this is what it should look like once you have your tic-tac-toe board complete. Next, I'm going to take these plastic basketballs and I'm going to go ahead and paint them first in the Waverly chalk paint in the color white. And I'm just going to go ahead and dab on the paint. And this is what it will look like once you have the white paint on. I wasn't trying to go for a full coverage. Secondly, I'm going to take the brown oxide paint and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to dab one light coat on. And once that's dry, I'm going to go in and make a second coat. And this is what it should look like once it's complete. As you can see, I didn't do full coverage. That way it kind of gives the appearance of a wood-like feature. Now taking these wood puzzle pieces, I'm going to go ahead and slide one of the pieces out. And I'm just going to apply some hot glue in the center and along the wood block. And then place that wood block that I took out back in place. And this is just to help it stay together. Next, I'm going to go ahead and paint it in the brown oxide color, and this is what it will look like once it's fully painted. And for these, which are my X's, I made 4, and for the O's or the balls, I made 5. Once you have all the pieces made, you can go ahead and place them into your tic-tac-toe board, and now you have a functional decor piece. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see every time that I upload a new video. As always, you can leave me a comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, have a great day.